Hey foodies! Today on Shecooksitall we are going to make this delicious assorted meat pepper soup. This is needed in the autumn and winter month because oh my goodness, this warm you up. Ooh, let's cook guys. So to cook this, here are the ingredients already nice and washed and prepped, and I have listed everything in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Okay, so to cook we are going to add all the meat into our pan, a big enough pan, and then my pan is already heating up on a medium to high heat. Add all your meat in, give this a good mix. Remember guys, you can use any ingredient of your choice, and this is not a traditional way to cook, it's just how I cook my pepper soup, so always remember that. I have diced some of my vegetable, and then we are going to add this in the pan. I have first some bay leaf added in there, and the vegetable I used was leek and celery. Add them in there, give them a good mix, and then we are going to cover. Don't add any liquid. Cover and let this cook for about 5 minutes while we are prepping the rest of the ingredients. Okay, no water at this stage, the water will come in naturally. Okay guys, for the rest of the ingredient we are going to blend some ginger, garlic, onion, chili, use as much or less as you can handle, and 1 red bell pepper just for color. Add a little bit of water to help with the blending. Blend this until it's nice and smooth and set aside. We are also going to grind some spices here, which is just black pepper and pimento. I like to add it in my pepper soup. It's not a traditional method, but again, as I mentioned, this is not a traditional method. Okay guys, so add that. Now we're going to season our pepper soup. I just added in salt, followed by a grated nutmeg, and then the rest of the ingredient that we have prepped before, so my pimento and black pepper. And then we are going to add in this pepper soup spice. This I buy already has pepper soup spice mix, so yeah, if you go to the African shop you should see it there. Add that in there, 2 tablespoons. Again, everything is mentioned below. And I went ahead and add in 2 seasoning cube, and I use chicken, and the brand I use is Knorr. Okay, if anybody is wondering, give this a good mix, and then we are going to add in our puree that we blended early. I also added some water in the blender and to add here just to collect all those remaining goodness. Okay, we're going to pour in some hot water until you just cover the meat, or how soupy you like your pepper soup. Bring this to a rapid boil. After it's boiling, reduce heat and simmer on very low heat for about up to 2 hours, or until the meat is nice and ready and tender. At this stage, it was about 1 hour and 40 minutes and it was ready. I added in some basil leaf, removed from the heat, and it was ready. Oh my goodness guys, this pepper soup came out chef kiss delicious. Here we have it. I went ahead and served it with some steamed plantain, and my husband had it with some steamed cassava. This was so good guys. Let me know in the comment below guys, are you team steamed plantain, steamed cassava, or which one are you? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.